Here we go.
Okay.
Paid for by NHTSA.
Salem's first choice, 1490 KBZY. We are supposed to do a weather forecast right now, but
It's nice outside.
Let them fire me. I'm not going to do it. Let them fire me.
There's no problem. It's sunshiny. You don't
Alright.
believe it? Well, we did that one time. You want to know what the weather is? Look out the window. It's about as confusing because it changes every 5 minutes.
I can't say that.
Yeah,
I
because
still got some time to go there.
you got another, you got another hour.
Won't fire me.
Well, I know they wanted to do a birthday thing, but you wanted this one thing. Terry and I have been 100 years in this business, and we have probably met some of the biggest stars, probably, that you can ever want to have the opportunity to work with, which gave entertainers like us a chance to meet some people that you never would. I tell you, how was it? Louis Anderson got a hold of Terry one time,
Yeah.
and Terry opened for Louis
21 times.
on the stages of Las Vegas.
Yeah. 21 times.
But you also your agent was Donnie Osmond Jr.
Junior.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Donnie's son. I worked with Donnie at the fair, but anyway,
He didn't like you.
I know he said that, but he looked funny. That's when he was trying to rock. But anyway, you sent a picture one time. I know you've done all these stage shows, and here's a picture of Terry with the biggest red lips on his forehead.
Oh, Sister Marie. Yeah.
She was about to do something, and you were.
She was walking, she was doing the show, and she was coming through the stage there. And where's Patty, my wife?
I'm right here.
And
Yeah, that's her right there.
yeah, Patty, she's pointing to my forehead, said Marie, as she walks by, she puts lipstick on and gives me a big old kiss on the forehead right in the middle of the show there.
Yeah.
And I looked at Patty and I go, what the hell did you just do? She goes, just shut up and enjoy it.
Got to be one of the greatest publicity pictures of
And
having
you know what's
somebody
funny
with it
is
to
I
have
took
that.
I took a towel and I wiped on it and I still have the lipstick mark on the towel.
Oh,
the lips,
good. Yeah,
on the
because that was a
lipstick.
picture you sent me, and,
And
now that's a classic.
Afterwards, we were backstage there, and I walked up, and Donnie goes, "Sister got a hold of you, didn't she?" Yes, yes, she did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Working the Osmonds, like you say, were a great group to work for, and we had fun.
There was a lot of people that we worked with over the years that were just incredible. I opened for Gordon Lightfoot, the Kingston Trio. There were just a lot of fun people that we did. But there was a couple that were a little bit.
Oh yeah, I think the country.
I'm not
artists-
going to mention her name, Kelly Pickler, but she was less than polite.
You see the pictures around me. I'm standing there with Dolly Parton. I'm next to John Denver. We work some of these people. Of all the years, I only had one person that I basically
Didn't like?
couldn't interview. I lost it.
I know who it is. A net full of Jello.
Right behind me, I had a net.
A net full of Jello.
I was starstruck once.
Yeah.
She did it. Yeah, it was fun.
I was starstruck the first time you walked in.
And under that, it's his birthday. What should we do, group?
Sing happy birthday.
Oh no.
Happy birthday to you.
Bob, you're out of key.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Terry. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you all. The size of that cake.
Yeah.
What would you think you're going to feed on?
Well, look how many people are here.
Well, they're all going to get a good slice of that thing then.
Jeez.
And
Well,
we have to smash his face in it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I love it.
Who said that?
Welcome.
Well, this might be your
Was that
last.
Amanda?
This might be your last show, my friend. But you have an open.
I know. I'll be back and bother you on your Sunday night. Don't you worry.
Any night.
All right. Thank you all for coming by. I appreciate it very much. And this was
You're not through. You got an hour.
this was going to be a hard show, and I knew it would be. But to see all your faces here, thank you. Wait a minute. Turn Rick off. Rick's jumping in on my show, but thank you all for coming.
See what computers do?
Apparently.
You can't trust them.
No, you
You can't
can't.
trust them. Yeah.
But again, thank you all for coming down. I appreciate that very much.
We'll have fun on a cruise on Sunday night. You just tell me when you want to come.
You got it. Thank you.